In this video, I'm going to teach you a trick on how to find the area between two shapes. So if we have a problem like this that says, what is the area of the shaded portion only? Well, we have just this shaded portion, and here are the measures of each of the squares. So we have a big square here and a smaller square, and we need to find what's the shaded area. So to find the area of a figure with an inside piece missing, find the area of the outer shape, then find the area of the inner shape, and then subtract. Okay, so we're going to find the area of this first, and then the area of this, and then subtract. So remember, the area of a square equals the side times the side. So let's find the area of the big square. Area of the big square equals 25 times 25, which equals 625 centimeters. Remember, area is measured in square units, so 625 centimeters squared, I should have said, right? So now we can find the area of the small square. Area of the small square equals 12 times 12, which equals 144 centimeters squared, right? Because it's area. Final step now is to subtract. So we're just going to take away this piece here from the bigger piece, and that'll just leave us with the shaded area. So the shaded area equals the area of the big piece minus the area of the small piece. So that equals to 625 minus 144. These are the numbers we found earlier. So the area of the shaded piece equals 481 centimeters squared. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that. You could rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. In the ebook, there's a link to this very video. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.